There we go. Cool. You guys can hear me now. All right. So today, before I wrap up my day, because tomorrow I have a lot of shooting to do, so I need to rest up today. So I decided to go on live, and we're going to talk about, are we really in the bear market? Bitcoin is looking nasty. And if you want me to talk about your specific coin, it's going to cost you. If not, then just enjoy the show. If you want me to talk about a specific coin to do a specific function, send a super chat. If not, then just enjoy the show. So we're going to start in a couple minutes. Just give me a second while I browse this Bitcoin chart for a second. See how much we are from the all-time high. Yeah, we hit as low as, how much is that? 40%. Yeah, we might go lower. Let's see. All right, you guys ready? Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. You said yes, we're in a bear market. All right. Give me 1 second. Let's go talk about it. 1 second. All right. So, the elephant in the room right now. Should we be buying cryptos right now? Should we be taking profits? You should have been taking profits, in my opinion, when Bitcoin is $50,000. Not financial advice. But the real question is, what type of market is this? January typically becomes a very green year, and we're going to talk about that. We're going to look at the historical charts. We're going to look at the data. So here goes the news for today. The news for today, right here. What does it say? The Sakaki government resigns and shut down internet amid protests, causing Bitcoin network hash rate to tumble 13%. All right, so on Wednesday, the second largest country in the world when it comes to BTC mining experienced an unprecedented political unrest due to a sharp rise in fuel prices. As the country's presiding cabinet resided, but not before the state-owned Kazami Takan shut down the nation's interests, causing the network to plunge 2% of daily heights. Okay, so I guess this is like one of the second biggest countries to mine Bitcoin, and I guess they shut down the internet, which caused a ripple effect within Bitcoin. Usually when Bitcoin falls, everything else falls as well. So this is what Cointelegraph says. You know, we have to look at these things with open mind. You know, certain people do the opposite when it comes down to mainstream media. You know, Cointelegraph is also owned by CoinMarketCap as well. If you don't know that, now you know. But yeah, everything is pretty much going red very, very fast. I remember last night, VeChain was actually a little hot. I was thinking that it was a potential announcement coming because it was picking up steam real fast, and it just tanked. Now, usually when we're in a bear market, a coin called Hex is usually, have some strength. No, it's not down that bad. It's at 21 cent. And I'm looking on Twitter too. I just been doing a little scalping, and I want to just have a conversation on just what you guys are doing. I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing. I'm definitely stacking USD right now. Let's see right here. They said, so BTC is an asset against inflation. That's what this tweet says. But affected by what? The charts has been yelling at us that we're in a bear market, and now you think the market is responding to inflation rates once again? Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Somebody said 4% pullback, and a lot of people call it bear market battlefield kids. Let's see. Now, let's look at the last time. Let's look at like the last dump, like the last big dump of Bitcoin. So the previous all-time high was this right here. It was 68,000. And normally every pullback of Bitcoin usually goes down between 80 to 85%. Now, most people think that since Bitcoin is so adopted that we won't see a pullback of that magnitude again. So let's just look at it again. If we were to look at an 85% drop, we're looking at, I'm going to get lower than this. 1 second. 1 second. We're looking at, let me see. Jesus, we're looking way below this. Hold on, man. There you go. There you go. There you go. So we're looking at 83 pullback. Actually, 80%. No, that's the wrong one. There we go. The top right there. That's the top. 80% pullback of Bitcoin at the previous top. You're talking $13,000. You're talking about a $13,000 Bitcoin. I don't think we're going to see a $13,000 Bitcoin, the previous all-time high. Maybe as low, I'm thinking 40K can possibly be the bottom. So we're talking about, what we're talking about right here. Because previous bottoms, that last horrible dips, the death wick, let's see, we touched 40K. It is possible we can touch another 40K, yeah. But yeah, that one day, man, we went from $53,000 all the way down to, yeah, about $40,000, man. Let's see what this say. I was riding a horse this morning and I thought about crypto that tanked or was a rug pull. If Doge GF goes up exponentially and we make a lot of money, the good will outweighs the bad crap endured. Yeah, I totally agree with that. Let's look at Doge GF as well. Let's see. Because there were times in the market where Doge GF was actually pumping in the midst of, let's see. Come on, guys. Let's see. We're not gonna do that. Let me use another one then. Let's see, we have anybody that's in profit today? What about Hex? Let's talk about Hex. Let's see. Hex tanked too. What, look, 15%, 15%. It's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, still a big candle. Let's see. Let's see let's see what they're talking about on these news right now. Let's see. Stock sell off ahead. They said right here. Let's see. Yeah, this is crazy. Investors must be prepared for another strong market in 2022. This was yesterday on the 4th, and then here we go. We have a huge dip. Let's see.
What moves on the minute? Maybe nothing does. Maybe we see a massive move. Trying to answer that question, I think is going to be an interesting challenge today. Obviously, foresight is a useful commodity in these markets. Michael McKee is here to help us out. Bloomberg's international.
Somebody says, scan the altcoin charts and it came to the conclusion. Many look bullish with bullish reversal structures. 2022 is going to be nuts. Let's see. There's a couple coins I am eyeing, to be honest with you. I am thinking about loading up on, besides those GF. Man, there's like no gainers today. Let's see. Meta Doge. %55. It's down 2. Damn. Yeah, that 24%, man. Let's look at XRP. The last that Def booked that day, XRP reached a low of 60 cents. Can we reach that 60 cent as well? See right here, we got 51 cent. I was in July. Can we retest that? Nah. I can't see a maybe 50 cent XRP again. That's tough. That's tough. Damn. So we're looking at right here. Hopefully Bitcoin can hold that 40,000 range. That's what we're looking at, man. Bitcoin holding. Don't hit below 40K. Because below 40K we have 38K, and really, yeah. If it blows, if it goes below 30K, I think we're reaching. Um, if it hits below 30K, that's not good, man. It's not good. It's not good. Let's also look at the monthly. Let's see the monthly charts. Live chart. No. Let me see. I think I have it in my. I think I have a picture in here. Let me see. Well, I might have it on another one of my pictures. Another one of my. Let me see. Yeah, I got like two computers. Got two computers, y'all. Trying to see something. Let me see something. All right, I think I got it. I think I got it right here. Let's see. BTC monthly return chart. Yeah. Let's see. All right, so this is the chart that I wanted to show you guys. Let me see, 2021. Let's see. All right, we'll just show you guys this one. Okay, so this one right here is the monthly chart for Bitcoin. It's actually on TradingView. As you know, we're in January 2022. And I guess we've been pretty much 50-50. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 2 consecutive months in the last January where we had green months of January. So it's either January's not going to be as good or February usually be as good. So right now we're in January 5th and we look at the monthly on Bitcoin. Let me see. Let's see how we're doing the monthly. And we're not doing good, man. We're actually down. Let's see how much we're down on the monthly. Okay, we're only down. Okay, 5%. We're only down 5% in the monthly. But last month, man, December, we was down 23%. Maybe February is going to be just an outstanding month because we closed in November. It was down November 7%. So we're at 7% in November, 20% in December. Okay, so yeah, let's just say January does become a bad month because if you see right here, look at this pattern Bitcoin is on. It's like green, 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 red. It's like 3 red. So we haven't seen. Let me see. If I zoom into the chart right here, we haven't had so many months consecutively red. Um, besides this is doing the bear market right here. So it looks like, what is this? I think this is head and shoulders, I think. Yeah. Head and shoulders. On the monthly, that's what it looks like to me. He said, what's happening, brother? What's up, man? I'm looking at this Bitcoin chart right now. This is the monthly chart. And I was showing the people how Bitcoin, usually has a green months in December, but we had a pretty red December. We had a red November, red November, disgusting December, and now we're looking like we're having a red January. One thing I can see is I can see us maybe going down a little bit, slowly by the day, and then in mid-January, it might. I don't think this candle's going to end so low. Possibly just a little lower. Let's see right here. Maybe about. I can see us touching 40K. I can see us touching 40K, closing around 43K, 44K, right around where we're at now. I think we're going to have more sell-offs, I think. And I can see us February being a green candle because just we had in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the last year, we haven't really went more than 4 months of red consecutive candles. So they definitely could be flooding us out of our bags right now. If we are in the bear market, this month is going to be the month to watch for, because if we're starting off bleeding like this and we keep bleeding for the entire month, then yeah, I can see us. It's still bleeding. I can see us really getting. I can see the market actually being in a bear market. Hex is bleeding as well. So I think this is just manipulation. Once again, it's manipulation. I don't see us going below 30K. I don't see us going below 40K. Maybe right at 40K. This is the monthly. So I think, yeah, we might close a little lower, maybe at 40K, a little bit, just like that. Then we're going to have a huge green candle, I think. More of a bullish sentiment. My opinion. Let's see. Unless we have more lockdowns, because they easily can bring us more lockdowns, man. Because what was this right here? This was in May. Look at this red candle in May, man. That was nasty. We went from, how low did it go? Right there, yeah. That was it went as low as 50% that May 2001, but it closed out at like 37%. So yeah, I think someone said that was like the hugest monthly dip in crypto. Yeah, that was huge. So yeah, just as long as we close over 40K, that's fine with me. I think this is a buying opportunity. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. But that's just my opinion. What do you guys think about what's going on? If you're watching this, because I don't know if I have anybody even here right now. see. All right. Well, I'm going, man. Let me see if anybody's here before I decide to go. You got any questions? Got any questions? If not, then I'm gonna bounce. Let's see. Yeah, I'm bouncing. All right, man. Y'all have a good one. Crypto's my retirement.